Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about ATA price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. By the way, for this ATA or Automata, we're gonna use a pair of ATA per USDT, right? First of all, the RSI stochastic still on the neutral position to close these gaps. This a big one right here and try to push it above this one. So if they can push with a big volume, then it will try to go to the yellow one side here. We call it upper band. So in the Bollinger Band, we have three band here. First of all is this one. The yellow one here, upper band on the 1.4122 US dollar. The pink one here is a middle band on the 1.1377 US dollar. If they go down here, the purple one here at 0.8632 US dollar here, right? Next move is we're gonna see on the moving average. Basically, for the moving average here is already above the moving average 7, but I think it's trying to go down again to the moving average 7 on the 1.1347 US dollar. If they can go up, go to the pink side here, moving average 25 on the 1.1809 US dollar right here, and push it again to the moving average 99 on the 1.3634 US dollar. Next move is for the daily chart. Basically, it's already try to go up from the moving average 25 on the 1.1352 US dollar. Go to the yellow one here, moving average 7 on the 1.2216 US dollar here, right? The next move is for the Bollinger Band here. It's basically is already try to go to this one, the middle band here. This is using a daily chart first. The middle band here at the 1.2462 US dollar. And if they can break this point with a big volume, try to push it again, close this one, right? It's trying to go between the pink one, middle band 1.2462 until 1.9592. So for a long term, still a good opportunity because the highest is at 4.5 and currently only at 1.1, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know. Put your comment below.